Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Video Gadgets Journal, and I know why you're here. It's because Apple have decided to release yet another iOS update. Hot on the heels of 10.1, we have 10.1.1. So the question, as usual, will be, does Airshou, the premier iOS screen recording application, still work after we apply the update? And to confirm, it is on all iOS devices, or at least the most up-to-date ones. So on an iPhone 7, we have the same update. Again, the download size is a little different, but I assume that's not going to make too many differences. The update itself says it fixes bugs, including an issue with health data, so we're hoping that this isn't going to affect the iOS screen recording facilities on our devices. So let's download and install, and I'll be back in about 10 minutes once it's completed. Okay, iOS update complete. Let's check the version number. We're now on 10.1.1. And as always on the Video Gadgets Journal, we're going to do a fresh install and test of Airshou, which means going to Savage Pool, installing Airshou from the usual non-App Store location. Please ignore these two versions of Airshou. They're not important for this test. We're testing as a fresh install, which gives you the usual untrusted enterprise developer error. To fix that, go to your settings, general, profile and device management. Can you tell I've said this before? You go to your certificate, trust it. Boom, we are into the program as usual, and Airshou loads up on iOS 10.1.1 with no issues. Let's go for a quick test. I will go and record in landscape at 1080p. Let's just make sure we have all the steps in place. And if you think I'm being a bit pedantic by testing Airshou every time iOS updates, let me know, but I feel as if it's a service I'm providing to make sure that you can update to the latest version and at least know that you're not going to have any emergencies of not being able to do screen recordings. I know in the past that we've upgraded to iOS 10 and that caused all sorts of problems, but Airshou did still work. And yeah, we just have to make sure that you guys are looked after by me as my Clash of Clans village repairs itself after another humiliating defeat. I still really don't play on this. And now we'll go to the recording, which is done 36 seconds. Let's play it in Airshou first, and it looks as if the visuals are playing back. So the recording is complete and fine. The next test is to copy it to the camera roll and make sure that it works there after agreeing to the permissions. And we'll go to the camera roll. There's our new video, and we'll play it there, and everything does seem to be recording and play back fine. One last test I will do in this video is to go to iMovie and import the file as is, and see if we still have the problem of distorted visuals when you do import it without having to convert it first. And you should be able to tell this by the fact that the timeline doesn't really change at all. It shows the first, I guess, frame, and then when you scroll you can see that it's distorted and it's generally not happy about things. You can see there that it's looking quite horrible. So the problem still persists in that you have to convert your file first before editing it and potentially uploading it to YouTube, and I've shown you how to do that in other videos as well. As a very quick test, we'll have a look at video and make sure that that's still working, which it seems to load up fine, but I'm not going to do a screen recording of that because you pretty much have a confirmation here that iOS 10.1.1 is safe to download, and you'll have Airshou working as you previously did. Thanks for watching. As always, if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll try and help you out. Otherwise, enjoy the video by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to the Video Gadgets Channel for more iOS screen recording content, and I'll see you soon in another video. Enjoy the rest of your tech day. Bye for now.